Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we're gonna be unboxing a package a package sent by Michelle MoreGore. Never did I thought I was gonna say that. When I tell you I'm so excited, Michelle MoreGore is that girl. The the queen to go to paint up her mask. I do not exaggerate. This is her artwork. As you can see, is amazing, gorgeous. Michelle, if you're watching this, I love you, girl. But everything you paint is so gorgeous. I love it. Never did I thought I was gonna like own a piece by you, and I'm just so excited and so grateful that it's finally here. I hope you guys had a great holiday season. And if you guys got any new mask scores or any like scores at all, then comment down below in the comment section. I would like to see even what you got for Christmas, or what was the best part of your holiday season. Oh my god. Are you guys ready? Ooh, I'm excited. Ooh, I'm excited. Michelle, I am not like up your ass. I just love you. I adore you, and honestly, you're that queen. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, let me open it. I feel like it's Christmas. It's still Christmas, guys. Oh, okay, I gotta be gentle. You guys get to see the first look. Oh my god, I can feel it. I can feel it. I feel like I messed something up. What do you guys think? Is he cute? Is he slaying? Is he that bitch? All right, let's see. Oh my god. I hold my breath. Holy crap. Look at that paint job. I literally thought I had like messed something up, but it's like the fake blood that she put. So if you guys are new, if you guys have been living underneath a rock in the mask community, that's okay. Not everybody's gonna know everything. Okay, so the base mask, it's a Michael Myers base mask. Yeah. And this is the paint job of the AJ Chappelle Roan death mask, and it's super fucking sick. Look at all those details. Girl, I'm gonna need you to do, if we ever link up, I'm gonna need you to do my makeup. I'll pay you top dollar, my life savings at that point. As you can see, like, her style is amazing and gorgeous. I'm gonna have to film some like up close shots to do this paint job justice. But honestly, like, even those lines, they're so gorgeous. I freaking love it. And I just don't know how to describe this mask. Like, I feel like I'm not gonna say the right terms. I've heard of the term of this like fake blood that stays forever, but it looks like realistic blood, and it looks like slimy permanent. I don't know, this is just gorgeous. Everything credit to Michelle MoreGore. Check her out on Instagram. But yeah, send her a message if you're interested in one of her paintings or masks. Just send her a message and let her know that Cute Horror sent you, or just say Wendy. Or just let her know that Cute Horror sent you. Cute Horror. I don't know, this is so sick. Like, the fact that I actually have one of her works, it's so amazing, and I need to change the minute I put this on. But I love everything about this. I don't know what else to say. Like, I feel like no amount of words, filler words, can like do this mask justice. Like, this is absolutely gorgeous and absolutely worth every single penny that I had. Or worth every single penny that it cost me. There you go. That's the perfect saying. Okay, so this is the look that I decided to put. I put on a red wig because it'd be fitting with the paint job. But I think it looks super cute. Michelle, you did an amazing job. I freaking love it. But yeah, guys, also comment down below what you guys think of the look. I think this is cute. Michelle MoreGore, you're always killing it. And yeah, I don't know if there's any available, but please check out her socials to see if there is any and we can match and be all cute. But yeah, that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Till next time, bye.